City of Orlando wastewater. How do we MC? Wastewater Internet is where you'll find a link. Click the open maintenance connection and you'll start to think, wow, a software that does work ordering, and my work orders have custom formatting. The key performance indicators show us information about our ability to provide confirmation that we're taking care of our problems as quickly as they come. So much to cover, let's keep moving on. Tools of labor time entry is where we'd like to go when we've been busy and have some time to show. Reports about our assets are easy to get to. Let's take a look at things that we need to do. Assets for replacement helps us make decisions about equipment we replace to maintain the division. Budget reports project the cost of replacement. We use that to keep our bank account out of the basement. To the dashboard for some clear-cut knowledge about the work we do and departments to acknowledge. Don't forget the rules, they're not cheesy. These rules here made a workflow easy. Now it's time to talk about integration with our HMI and the lift stations. Right-click a pump and create a work request. What? Wait, that was awesome. MC is the best. Right-click again and see the information that asset has in its configuration. Smart reports and email are convenient as can be. This one here is about a new employee. He needs a key for access to some doors. We don't do that in MC, but we do use this report to open other software and get that work done. So wait, that's not all. Here comes the fun. We opened it in smart mode to see the task ahead. We initial and complete and put it to bed. Now everyone will know that his key is ready. Just look at the work order. Come on, Freddy. How do we MC? I hope you have a clue. MC is the best and they build it for you. I'm out.